Welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to add threads in Instagram story. So first open your Threads app right here as you can see on my screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Now you need to make sure that you switch to your Instagram account that you want to share it on. And once you've done, go back to your Threads app. Now right here to start a thread, all you need to do is tap this pen and paper icon at the bottom. And from here, for example, I want to start a thread by typing here sample thread. And then right from here, once you've done, tap on post at the bottom right corner. And as you can see, I have posted the thread right here. And then we have four icons here, the heart, the message icon, repost, and share. And then I want to tap this share icon, which is the paper plane icon. Then tap on add to story. And then you will automatically go to your Instagram story. As you can see here, the posted via threads. Now, all you need to do here, you can actually edit this one. You can add some text, or you can actually add some stickers you want. And then once you've done, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner, and then tap on the share to your own story. And then if you go to your story right here, let's check your story. So tap on my story, and then you'll find the threads that I added on my Instagram story. So that's how you basically add threads in Instagram story. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.